Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. In today Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make a crispy prawn tempura. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen for the full recipe. So viewers, let me take you to Balghari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients. Here we have some jumbo prawns, water, breadcrumbs, flour number one, some corn flour, egg, chili sauce, like pepper powder, salt. Let's take our prawns here. I'm going to shell, remove the head, and shell, remove the shell. Keep the tails like this way. Remove the head, remove the shells. And then cut it this way and clean the veins. You will see the black clean. Clean the vein nicely, and then you can cut more deeply and then put in this way, and then small cuts like this. Like this way you can prepare all the prawns. You can see, don't throw these heads. We can use this one for the soup. We are going to make Thai soup, then we are going to use that one for our Thai soup. This prawn I take from fish market, very fresh. We buy it from Sharjah fish market. So now our prawns are ready. So I'm going to marinate with salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper. Mix nicely. So now prawns are ready. Now another step is going to prepare the batter for the prawn tempura. So let's prepare our batter. I have here already bowl. I'm going to add flour. You can use all-purpose flour. I'm going to add some corn flour to make it crispy, and then I'm going to add one egg like this way, mix, and then I'm going to add water and mix gently to make batter out. You can see the consistency. So keep stirring this one with the whisk. So you can see the, look at this. It's like nice batter is ready. Put some crumbs on the plate and then start our prawns. First step is to dip this one in the batter like this way. So look at this, fully coated with butter. Fully coated with batter. So then you can dip it in here with the crumbs, some more crumbs, and keep on side. Same procedure for all tempura like this, and then dip in the crumbs on the sides. So viewers, here I have already make our oil hot. Our oil is very hot. Let's now start frying our tempura. Look at this way. Here you go. Here you go. Make it fry until golden brown. Always take the deep fryer. So it's very easy to make. Let's see. Let's fry them like this. They will fry until golden brown. So viewers, our prawn tempura, let it is fry. It's getting golden brown. Look at the beautiful colors. So it's time to remove within 30 seconds. Let me remove by one, like this. Our tempura is fried already. I'm going to serve this one chili sauce. Here, look at chili sauce. Let's put tempura on sides. So, viewers, our prawn tempura is ready. You can enjoy in your kitchen. So, viewers, our prawn tempura is ready. I'm going to taste. Look at delicious, crispy prawn tempura. So, let me taste with the chili sauce. Looks nice. Mmm, very delicious. Super. Very, very delicious. It's easy to make. You can make in your kitchen for your guests. They will be happy. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. Don't forget to give your lovely, beautiful comments in comment section. Have a great day.